Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Trust Wallets account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Trust Wallets account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in community.trustwallet.com and make a search. You will end up on the sign up page of your Trust Wallets account. Enter your email address or username. Create a password for your Trust Wallets account and tap on Create Your Account option. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can sign up for your Trust Wallets account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.